Good evening, everyone. I hope everybody's doing okay. We are going to make some garlic Parmesan chicken thighs. This is so easy, you won't believe it. And we're gonna make them right in the air fryer. So let's go ahead and get started. 4 chicken thighs, garlic Parmesan seasoning mix from Walmart. Make sure you wash that chicken. You wanna get these nice and coated. Now my air fryer has a pan with a grate. I'm going to leave that grate in there. Go ahead and add some water in the bottom of that pan. I'll spray it down with some Pam. I'm using olive oil because it's healthier. Now that we've got that coated with Pam or olive oil and we've got our water in the bottom, we're just gonna add the chicken. Now you're going to place this with the skin side down. Now let's wash our hands. Go ahead and put that in your air fryer. We're going to set our temp for 350 degrees for 15 minutes, and then I'll be back. This smells amazing. It's looking good. Now you're gonna wanna flip these. Just like that. Go ahead and set your temp for 350 again, and we are gonna cook these for 15 more minutes. I wanted to share something with you while we're waiting on this. I kind of like to adopt little elderly people at church, and I've got this little lady who I dearly love. She brings me little things, like she'll bring me books to read and I'll take them back to her, and it makes her feel so good. She brightens my day. And I'll take her something every once in a while, and she just loves it. But today she gave me quite a few little goodies, but she gave me this. It's a feather bookmark. Evidently she probably gives money to the Native Indian Education Foundation, which it is a great foundation to give to. And the little printout that came with it is so interesting. The Native American Indians gave a feather as a sign of respect, high regard, strength, honesty, wisdom. Definitely gonna put that in my Bible. So let's go ahead and check on this chicken. And voila,